So hello fellow coin collectors, and this is Glenn back with another video, and today we're looking at some new pickups. So in this video we'll go through them and we'll talk about the actual price. So the first one I got New Zealand half crowns. So New Zealand did issue crowns, but the half crown was the highest value denomination in circulation. I have 49 and 48. So two different dates. You can see the condition. So I tell the condition based on the hair on the back. And as you can see, it's been quite well worn. You don't see any of the striations. So you don't see any of the hair on the back. So that one would probably be fine to very fine condition. And these ones you can pick up for about $3 to $4. So nice, large coin, but in a lower cost value. And this one's probably I'd say very fine, because you can see that the ear is pretty distinct. If the ear was joined to the hair and you couldn't tell the difference, then that would probably be a fine coin. Then we have a Swiss 5 francs. So here we have a mintage, and this one is 6.3 million. This is a current circulating coin, and the mintage for 5 francs is in the middle is like 5 million for a population of about 7 to 8 million people. The 1968 will still be the most common with 33 million coins, and this one has the shield, so that's the Swiss coat of arms, and also on the back we have an allegorical figure, so he's supposed to represent the wild man, from what I remember, Confederatio Helvetia. So these ones should pretty much cost face value. So 5 francs is about $7 to $8. That's how much you should be paying for one of these coins. But if you're buying them on eBay, you need to factor in about 20%. Same with the rest of these, 20% above the initial value. So just say you're paying $7, 20%, so $8.40. Then we have some coins from Libya. So these are the first independence coins. This says Idris the First. Here I have the 2 piastres or 2 quersh. Quersh is the Arabic for the name of the coin. And if you want to make it 20 millimeters for the later coins. And these ones are they metal rotated? Yep, metal rotated. So how I grade these ones is based on the ear as well as this band around here. And you can see that their ear is pretty distinct, as well as the band is also quite clearly seen. So this is probably very fine coin. And if we turn it around, you can see this is valued 2 piastres. So this is a 0.02 of a pound. And this is the highest denomination issued at the time in 1952. This one has a mintage of 6.075 million. So quite a nice coin. And it does complete my collection of that 1952 series. And here we have, this is probably VF to EF. I would say EF because you got a lot of detail on this coin. And also you can see the individual strands here. So this is a 1 piastre. And it's the lowest valued copper nickel coin. The 1, 2 and 5 millimeters were bronze coins. So those ones probably cost about $4 or $5 each. Then we have Jordan. So Jordan first issue coins in 1948 or 49. And this is the 1955 issue. So you got 1955 in the center. But if you turn it around, you got English, so you don't really need to translate the Arabic. So the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, 5 mils. So this is the second lowest value. You got the 1, 10, 20, 50 and 100 mils as well. Then you've got other denominations that they issue later. This one's quite a nice coin. I quite like it. You're probably paying about $3 or $4 for one of these in a pretty good condition. You can get it for $1 if it's in lower condition, but this one's probably EF condition because you can see the little wheat on the wheat stalk. So that's how I grade this, and that side as well. And also the crown. You can see the dots on the crown still. So if you couldn't see the dots and that's a line, then that will be in the lower grade. So that's how I grade that one. And another set I'm after is the Iraqi 1959 set. So this is a 10 fils. So 1 dinar equaled 1,000 fils. So this is 0.01 of a dinar. 1959, so 1379. And it just says probably got Iraq. Then you got wheat. So when it's got lettering like this, it's a bit harder to grade because you've got a lot of flat areas. So then you need to probably, I would take this lettering as well as if any of these parts are joined together, so these wavy lines here. And also if any of these points have disappeared. That's how I would grade the actual coin, or what I grade using specific details of the coin. And on this side I'll probably use this around here. This one's probably about another $4 or $5. It's 24 million, but the 1959 is a bit harder to get than the later coins, or even the earlier coins, especially the 50 and 100 mils. Fils, should I say. A bit hard to get. They were in silver. But the coins, I wanted to get the coins from Monaco, not Morocco, Monaco. Small country, I think it has about 30,000 people, or maybe that's San Marino. Anyway, this is a 10 franc from 1978, has a mintage of 190,500. You'll be paying about $5 to $10 for one of these. But this is a bronze coin, highest value denomination at the time. It was replaced in 1989 for bimetal coin. And it has the coat of arms of Monaco on this side, and on the back, this is coin rotated, we have the monarchs. So the monarchs are called prince or princesses because it's a principality. It's not a kingdom, it's not an emirate, it's not a fiefdom. And this is Reina III. So this is the same specifications as the Swiss 10 franc coin. So Swiss currency does circulate in Monaco. And then I got this coin. This is a 20 franc from 1947. It's 10 grams and 30 millimeters. But the curious thing is that France never actually issued a coin of this specification. They do have patents, but none for circulation. So that's really strange. Monaco issued this coin, but France did not, because since I think 1835, Monaco's used French coinage, and if they did mint their own coins, it's just based on the French coins of the time in their specifications. So this side is the coat of arms of Monaco. Here we have, I think they're laurel, I don't know what plant that is. Looks like a tree or whatever. And it's quite nice, I quite like that. This is the largest coin issued for circulation at the time, and it comes in copper nickel. And on this side, you can see the details of Louis II, Prince of Monaco, and you can see that the details of the hair quite fine. Even the smallest detail you can still see. Some minor scratches, but you can see a lot of detail in these braiding here, as well as here, and the medals. So this coin is, in my grade, almost uncirculated. And this one has a mintage of 1 million. As I said, they didn't issue these 10 gram coins in France, so I'm not too sure how well this would have circulated in Monaco. Maybe it didn't circulate that well, because most of the ones I've seen on eBay in pretty good condition. So this one you'll probably be paying about $5 to $10. Quite a nice coin. And Monaco is another country which I want to get the full set of. But that's not likely because a few of their coins are pretty prohibitive get, especially the gold coins. Very expensive and low mint. So that is my current pickups, and I hope this helps you with our coin valuations. And also it encourages you to try and get all these coins. So all up, these coins, they probably cost between $3 and $10 to get. Not really very expensive. If you get them all at once, yeah, it's going to be pretty expensive. But if you get them one at a time, then it comes pretty easy to get. The last one I got is this 1940s Egyptian 5 piastres. So this is a hard banknote to get. I paid about $7 for this in this condition. So if you want one in uncirculated, you're probably going to be paying a lot more money. And it has the letter and serial number. Sorry about that. They done the train line up at the front and it's just really noisy. Okay, 5 piastres, and on the back you just have a picture of a dam. Can't remember what dam it is, but it's a nice banknote. So that one, if you were to sell that again, you'll probably get $15 out of it, but it depends. Anyway, here's where I'll leave the video. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.